Okay, see my hands?
Use your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see you crack that egg. Perfect. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Good job.
Here.
You did that all by yourself? Should we do one more?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one?
Just doing it.
Sure.
That's on it. So, try I'm going to help you.
Okay. Thanks for helping me. Hold on to this one. All right. Hey, thanks. Now you're gonna mix them? Can you mix them up for me?
What?
Good job. Want me to help a bit?
Actually, I'm just stuck another egg.